Welcome to the course on Surface and T-Spline Modeling in Fusion 360. In this course, you will learn two powerful modeling techniques: surface design, used for precise technical shapes, and T-Spline modeling, ideal for free-form organic designs. We will begin by exploring the surface modeling interface in Fusion 360. We will start with Surface Workspace, where you will learn how to use all the core surface tools, beginning with Extrude, then moving on to Revolve, Sweep, Loft and more. After understanding these tools, we will use them to build real-world surface models step by step, helping you apply each feature in a practical context. Once you are confident with surface tools, we will move on to the Form T-Spline workspace. Here you will get familiar with T-Spline interface and walk through the create and modify toolsets. We will then divide into all the main T-Spline primitives features, including box, cylinder, quadrupole, loft, sweep and revolve, learning how to push, pull and shape geometry like sculpting braille. Finally, we will use everything we have learned to create complete T-Spline models, combining tools and techniques to build complex freeform designs. By the end of the course, you will have a solid foundation in both surface and T-Spline modeling. Upon successful completion of this course, you will receive a certificate of achievement demonstrating your proficiency in Fusion 360. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on discussion forum or join our interactive question and answer sessions. This course is perfect for students, engineers, designers and hobbyists. So let's get started.